Hello, my name is Lana. We will learn English for beginners every time we will choose a new topic. Today we are at a cafe. The cafe is inside a big shopping center. At lunchtime, it is very busy. Workers and shoppers come here. But I came early in the morning, so the cafe is quiet. There are only a few people. Soft music is playing. I sit near the window. Outside it is raining. I take the menu. There are many choices. Toasties, tea cakes with clotted cream, pastries and muffins. Hot drinks, cappuccino, latte, americano, flat white, English breakfast tea. Cold drinks, smoothies, frap, lemonade, fresh juices. The choice is big. The waiter comes to my table. What would you like? I would like an English breakfast tea, please. With milk? He asks. Yes, full fat milk, please. And a tea cake with clotted cream. The tea comes in a special teapot. The milk is in a small jug. I pour the tea, I add some milk. It tastes warm and strong. The tea cake is soft and sweet. I feel relaxed and happy. I sit for 30 minutes. Outside, people walk with umbrellas. I do not want to leave. Can I have a small cappuccino? Chocolate on top? He asks. Cinnamon, please. The milk foam is white and full and soft. It was a simple but good morning. I finish my cappuccino. I put on my coat. I walk to the counter. Can I pay in cash, please? I ask. cappuccino was really nice, I say. I'm glad you liked it. He smiles. Of course, he says. Would you like a receipt? Yes, please, I say. He gives me the receipt. Have a nice day. You too, I smile. Outside, the rain is lighter now. The air feels fresh. It was a calm morning. Tea first, then coffee and a little time for myself. Everyday situations help us learn English. Simple words, real conversations. Step by step, we improve. Thank you for watching until the end. Thank you for listening. Thank you for practicing. Let's improve your English together. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next lesson.